G'day, Scotty from Markscon here. I'm site manager overseeing 22 luxury apartments down here in Blackstreet, Brighton. It's a privilege to be working with Plungie and Curvale, BHA and Nash all together at once. The vision for this project down here in Blackstreet, Brighton is to provide purchasers with high-end, top-notch finishes, fixtures and fittings throughout, combined with communal dining, golf lock-up for your golf clubs and bicycle storages. The main reason Markscon has chosen Plungie today is due to their seamless installation, cost saving, less trades on site, and they're installed within 45 minutes. Installation process provided by Plungie was spot on today. The trucks rolled in on time, crane was sitting and waiting. The process couldn't have gone better. Our experience with Plungie so far has been faultless.